going on, everybody? Hope you're having a good day. Today I got two Lego City Stuntz motorcycle sets. We've got the Reckless Scorpion 60332, and we've got, this one's just called Wheelie Stunt Bike 60296. And we'll use this one. Got a nice picture on the front, got some legal stuff on the sides. Advertisement, barcode. On the back it shows you it's got a flywheel, so it's like the old school. Pull it back and then let it go and it'll go by itself. And up here on the top, this is really cool. They got a picture of the minifigure. Really nice. There's a minifigure on this one. So we're gonna open them up, check them out, see how they are. All right, let's do it. All right, we'll start with the Reckless Scorpion. And there's like a thumb punch. There we go. It pulls up on the bottom of the box. All right. Motorcycle. Oh. Parts. Instruction manual. Tire on, front wheel on. The body on. Handlebars, there's the handlebars. There we go. All right. Figure together, shoulder pads, you can see here. Go with the hair. Or you can go with the helmet look. You got some horns, put on the helmet. That's pretty cool. And a visor. Check one on upside down. There we go. Nice. Oh, and you got a little pet scorpion right here. Look at that, minifigure with its own pet scorpion. Cool. Got an extra horn. Good. Extra visor. Nice. Oh. Very cool. All right, let's open up the wheelie stunt bike. Same thing. It's got the push tab right here. Let's put it back. Just like before, instructions. That front wheel on. Same as the other one. Put the body on. Handlebars. There we go. All right, what do we got here? This one on the back. Got it. So I can do wheelies. Almost dropped that one. There it is. All right, put the minifigure together. Again, you got blue hair option or motorcycle helmet. And some goggles. The goggles on. Extra pair of goggles. I guess they assume you're gonna lose them, or your kids are gonna lose them. Nice. Cool little toys. All right, there you have it. Reckless Scorpion, Wheelie Stunt. Cool little toys. They give you extra horn on this one, extra visor, and the hair. So if you want to display it without the helmet on, I guess they figure you're gonna lose those small pieces. Or if you give it to a kid to play with, they're gonna lose it for sure. Here on the wheelie stunt, they give you extra goggles and the hairpiece. Really cool, fun little toys. I did hear that, I'll take this one off. These front little pegs that stick out, front axle, that, you know, if you give it to a kid who uses it, actually plays with it, these will break off. So I heard you could, you know, email Lego, tell them what happened, and they'll send you a front wheel, a replacement. Don't know if they're still doing it, but if you get one of these and it breaks, also hit them up, see if you'll get a replacement wheel. See, visor just popped off. That's why they give you, or the goggles. That's why they give you extra ones. Yeah, little toys. Might have to buy some of the other ones. There's, I believe 6 that are out. I got these 2 because I like the minifigures the best. But there are some weird ones. There's a guy in a chicken suit, and there's a bathtub one. Might end up getting those just because they're kind of wacky out there. But for right now, I got these 2. All right. Let me know what you think. And see you next time. Thanks a lot, everybody. Have a great day.